Hello everyone, in this JavaScript tutorial we are going to talk about a few functions for string in JavaScript. So first of all, let's say you want to know the length of a string in JavaScript. So in order to do that, or in order to find out the string length, what you have to do is that first of all, let's go and just declare a variable. Let's say var name equal to, and let's just over here Germany. And here if you want to know the length of this variable, then what you have to do is that you need to say over here name dot length. So length is a function for JavaScript, and if you just keep dot length, then you will be able to get the total number of character over here. So right now if we just say over here document dot write, then we keep this inside a first bracket, and then if we save it, then if we refresh our browser, we should be able to see the length of the word. Here you can see, let me just zoom in. Here you can see 7, and if we just count the number of character here 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So you can just do it like this way as well. Let's say name equal to name dot length, then we can just say over here name. So here we already declared the variable name equal to Germany. So here we are just saying name equal to name dot length. It means we are asking to get the length of this word and store it over here, and then we are just printing that. So right now if we save it and if we refresh, we will just see the same thing, which is number 7. So right now let's say you want to type the word in the browser. So for it, what you can do is that we can use a function called prompt, and over here let's say write your name. So right now what it will do is that it will ask you to write your name in the browser, and if you write your name, then it will count the number of character over there. So right now let's save it and let's just refresh here, and then this is called prompt. So here you can see write your name, which came from here, write your name, and that is called prompt. So right now if we now just write our name, let's say Yamin, and let's just click OK, and here you can see the number of character is 5. Now let's refresh again. Let's say over here Canada, and here the number of characters should be 6. So right now if we click OK, here you can see 6. So that was prompt in JavaScript. So right now let's talk about char act. So right now let's say you want to get a specific character from a string. So let me just remove this and this prompt, and here let's just say over here Australia. And so right now if you want to get a specific character from the string, then for it what you have to do is that we'll just say over here name equal to, we'll say name dot char at, we'll give to first bracket, and here we are going to mention an index number. Let's say index number will be 3. Let me just tell you one thing about index number, that is index number always start from 0. So right now char at 3 means here index number 0 means A, index number 1 means U, 2 means S, and 3, this char at 3 means T. So right now if we save it and if we refresh our browser, then it should give us the character or word T in the document.write. So right now if we save, then refresh here you can see the character T. If we give index number, let's say 2, then it should give us character S. Save, then refresh, here you can see S. So right now let's talk about uppercase and lowercase in JavaScript. So here let's say you want to see all the character in Australia to be uppercase. So for it what you can do is that we'll say over here name equal to name dot to uppercase, and we need to end it with two first bracket. So right now if we save it, all the character will be in uppercase. Let's just refresh our browser, and here you can see Australia is in uppercase. So if you want to everything to be lowercase, it is really simple. All you have to do is that we need to mention over here lowercase. Okay, let's make the A capital, uppercase A. So right now if we save it, Australia will be, everything will be lowercase. So let's refresh here, and here you can see everything is lowercase. So those are some basic and common function in JavaScript. I hope this tutorial was simple. So this is all about this tutorial. Make sure to give a like and leave a comment. Also subscribe this channel. Thanks in for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.